Wall coverings can be used to create wallpaper borders and wainscoting for added color and texture changes by room or for an individual wall. To begin, let's add an entire room's wallpaper border. Open the room specifications and go to the Wall Covering tab. When we click the Add New button, Interior Designer will automatically take us to the Material folder so we can choose a material for our border. Let's go to the Wall Coverings library and under Patterns choose our material. Notice also you will find name brand materials from manufacturers under their name, like Warner Wall Coverings. After we select OK, we will see a preview of the material and the options we have for this border. Since we want this border to start at the ceiling, we will set the top to ceiling value to 0 inches. We will also adjust the height of this border to 6 inches. When we select OK and take a 3D view, we can see our wallpaper border. Let's return to Plan View and make a change for an individual wall. Select the wall and open the wall's specification dialog, and you will see a Wall Covering tab. For this wall, we will add a wall covering between our chair rail and our base molding. We'll repeat the steps for adding a wall covering above and choose the location from the chair rail to the base molding and select a material. When we take the 3D view, we can see that our wall covering is between the moldings and is only on this wall. The Wall Covering tool is a powerful tool for your interior designs.